We're replacing a system that failed. This is a system where they use the ADS pipe, and we found a bunch of it collapsed. It's just flimsy and it's garbage. And in previous videos, I know our subscribers that watch all our videos know you don't want to buy a pipe with a sleeve or sock on it. It's a failed experiment. Your aggregate, this is what happens. So they put this pipe in, you know, so here we are. They put it in the trench. They didn't wrap it like we do. So the aggregate migrated into the clay, and the clay migrated in the aggregate, and it just plugged. So this is a failed experiment. Having a sleeve or a sock on a pipe is not going to get the water in the pipe. I mean, so we wrap everything. We have our pipes and our aggregate. We got our stone, and we're going to wrap it all as one. This way we're keeping all the contaminants out. We're running 2 pipes here because we need it. We need a reservoir big enough to handle the amount of sheet water that's coming off of a playground and a pool yard and a community walk, which is right behind the home here, and a parking lot too. So a lot of sheet water.